Regen America, I have with me Dr. Pezzello. He is co-founder of Regen America. I'm just going to ask him a few questions that I get asked a lot by my patients. What kind of results will they expect? What are some things that will help them get the best results?
So, individual results vary all the time depending on what your current situation is and how long you have been dealing with the issue already. The easiest way to tell that is if you look at an x-ray, kind of see what your history has been and where you are at this point. So some people can completely avoid having any type of replacement surgery. That would be a terrific result. We see that a lot. Some people, of course, get out of pain and can get back to activities that they're used to doing, like walking and hiking. I hear a lot traveling. People want to travel, get on a plane, and they can't do that. You can do, in addition, obviously anything to do with nutrition and physical therapy and stretching. We like to do some bracing to make sure that the joint stays stable, and anything really not to further irritate the joint, because you want those stem cells to live in a nice, happy, relaxed environment. So the worst thing you really can do, especially sometimes people do it when they start feeling better, is they go out and they start ripping it up again and
right to the gym.
And start to make things worse again. So we want to just take it easy for a little bit. You can do normal activity, but anything that would normally make your body healthy is going to be a benefit with the stem cell procedures for sure.